there.
Oh!
Chuck away. Ooh, oh, okay. And woo! Well done, good accuracy. Okay, got a bit of a bad kick there, so we're gonna have to demote that. All right, where's my measurement team? So you hold the dumb end right here. Actually, sorry, right here. Yes, right at Brian's flag. And then we'll come out. We'll measure here. And then we've got that, and we're going to back that off. Coming over your head. Don't lose your screw spot. Ooh, that is exactly 50 feet. 50 feet. Now, how did Brian's get to measure?
He got that roll.
He got a better roll.
Oh, he was 59 feet, 3 inches, 59, okay.
Members bounce.
So this is still your distance to beat right here where I am. This is your target down here for the brush. All right, bring it.
Morty should do pretty good.
You can dodge a chainsaw, you can dodge a ball. Oh, I'm good. I'm a lot quicker than you think. Good elevation, good elevation. Poor accuracy, poor accuracy.
So that was a Bengals kicker.
Okay, you run over there. Yes, 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 yes. Nope, you're a little off. You need to go back right at that next flag. Thank you. Okay. We'll go here. All right. We're going to bring that back. Still coming, still coming. And we are at 37 feet, 10 inches. 37 feet, 10 inches. Okay, if you can return the chainsaw.
I thought it was going to be like 07.
Ah, there we go.
Oh, he's got me. He's got me.
Very accurate.
Oh, you got me. There you go.
About 6 inches.
I'll take 2 feet, 3 inches. 52 feet, 3 inches. Barb coming up next. Toss away. Little backspin there. The backspin hurt him a little. Didn't quite get the wind he was looking for. Last time I tried to run out here, I biffed it after 6 feet. Brian remembers. Jared. Oh, cow. Oh, and a good roll. All right, this is going to be warm. I like it. Okay, we're going to go from right here. Yes. Okay, let's see where we are at. This is 75 feet here, minus 13 and a half. Quick math there. That's 61 feet, 6 inches. Okay, that was Greg. That's Joe Harkness.
Choke it all the way out. I hope so.
There goes Joe. Good toss. Very accurate. He's on the line. No, he's going to lose maybe an inch or two. Okay, we've got 48 feet, 6 inches. 48 feet, 6 inches. Here comes our disc stack champion, Chad Wilhelm.
Come on, Chad. Let's go, baby.
Come on, Chad.
Chad.
Yeah, baby. Roll. Caught an edge. Caught an edge. He's on the center line, though, so that's good. He's not going to lose any accuracy. And we got a little bit of damage to the sole. Yes, that is it. Tim, we have 57 feet flat. 57 feet. 57 feet.
I'm pretty sure Eddie Neal broke the world.
With 100-foot mark was optimistic, wasn't it?
Yeah, good, yeah.
That's a big toss. That's a big toss. Oh, and a nice kick. Woo!
I should do that. I should do that. Drive your cart down there. Drop it in. I should do that. $5.
Bodie Pennington next to toss. He's got double fist in here.
Oh!
No!
Negative.
No, I'm not even going to measure it.
Hey, I bought 2 rounds, so.
That's just too much string to unravel. Too much string.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks for teasing me. Appreciate it.
Swing it, Bodie.
Come on, Bodie. There we go. Ah, got a bad kick to the right. Got to play the course there. Who is our next chainsaw?
170? Yeah.
Oh, Nate, back up.
Nice and light.
Oh, Nate wants more.
That one would work too.
He's just getting loose.
Oh gosh, the
All right,
168
Nate.
or whatever they call it.
Let it rip.
So bad.
Oh, look at that roll. Woo!
I'm nervous now.
Now we're talking. 72 feet 0 inches. 72 feet. And if you want a reference point, yep, that's right down here. Bring it down here, Chad. Whenever you're ready. Right here. Hit me. Bring it.
Lawn dart.
It's on the line.
From dirt. Made dirt.
I did find it.
Bad roll. Bad roll. Bad roll. Here's with glove. With ball.
Where's the nearest hospital? You got glove on, he's safe. That's a jersey.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah, baby.
Furthest part. Furthest part.
We lost a part.
Furthest part.
It's true.
Yep, we went to the furthest point, and that was. Oh, that's an elevation. Oh, shitty landing. Okay, we've got 48 flat, 48 feet, 48 feet.
That's good. Just 1 rip.
I feel like that one.
What's the high mark?
You gotta get about 75-foot mark out there. What do we got? 70. 72, Morgan. Make it happen.
Oh, you clipped yourself. Wrong foot.
Start over. Don't waste a toss. It's a $5 bill.
Hey, you can't. You bowling? You can't left-handed. You end up right-handed.
And
Right-footed.
good velocity, good roll. Okay. That's in the.
Yeah, there is kind of. There is.
Calculations and.
Oh!
A little bit too long.
Good.
And he broke the top handle.
That was a bad
Oh, it's
release.
going to the moon.
He went for.
There you go.
Oh, he got a good roll there. Little off though. That's gonna. The accuracy's gonna hurt him here.
Got it, Nate. Sounded like a good idea. It felt like a good idea. Oh! Oh.
Bad kick. The kick killed him.
I think I let go of it too low. Go.
Get some momentum, Joe.
I'm trying.
Like an ice skater, you gotta get speed, then plant and release.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Grant, you come up and try it then.
I'm just waiting to see how far I gotta go.
Very
Partners up.
That's it.
Early release. You gotta hang on. Why are you throwing? Now you're just showing off. Now you're just showing off.
Can I have my $5 back? You got 1 and 2.
5 cans.
10. Went with the bowling stroke. Very accurate.
He can. About that, about took my arm out last time. Do they run?
In the field of play, not a good idea.
Can we start it?
And no, we got it. There.
Stuck her, buddy.
That's an extra 20 feet. Wow, boy.
51 feet, 1 inch.
Stuck her, buddy.